Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You need the right settings enabled before you create a floating window. Once you confirm system updates and navigation mode, make the change now. First, open settings and enable floating window or multi-window in display or advanced features. This gives apps the permission to float. Next, launch the app you want to float and press Recent Apps. This is the hinge for the next action. Keep your focus on the app card. The floating option appears from there, so you're ready for the next step. Once in Recent Apps, tap the app's icon or three-dot menu and choose Open in Floating Window. This immediately creates a movable overlay you control. You can drag any corner or edge to resize the window and pinch or drag to reposition it across the screen, which helps when you need quick reference next to another app. If you need more space, switch between floating and split screen via the same menu. This keeps your workflow efficient and lets you adapt to tasks quickly. You finish by positioning and saving the floating window state. Use the title bar to minimize, maximize, or close. Tap and hold to move it to any corner and snap it to screen edges for consistent layout. Make sure the app has overlay permissions in settings, because denied permissions block floating behavior. If the window won't appear, restart the phone, check floating window permissions again, and update the app. A restart usually clears transient issues and restores the feature.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.